Alright, YouTube, here is my last video on Memorial Day, and I am done with the number 3 rather. That actually I think goes up to about 5,000 grit. And as you can hopefully see, I am getting quite the nice mirror finish here. I'm not sure where that camera is pointed, but this is all you need to get that done. This is the AutoSpa, $23 at Walmart. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of channels on YouTube that'll show you how to, and I'm going to get there in just a second. I'll show you how I did this, right? But I want to show you, all of those videos are going to show some guy with a $200 or $300 polisher or whatever, right? You know what I mean? And you could go to Harbor Freight and get one for $49.99 on a clearance deal, and trust me, it's not going to last you 2 hours, right? So I've gotten this boat from nasty with a $30 sander and a $23 buffer, all right? And it comes with one of these pads. I also told you I wouldn't lie to you. I've used 2 of these pads. You can, right next to the sander, or to the buffer rather, you're going to find a set of the exact name brand AutoSpa bonnets that fit this at Walmart, right? They're $4.88 for 2 of them. They're washable. You know, it's not like you're using it. You have to buy them every single time, but there you have it. So $23.99 and $30 for the sander, and we took a boat from nasty to absolute mirror shine. You know, for something that's 47 years old, and I'm not going to enter this in boat shows, I am really happy with this, and I think you will be too. Stay tuned on my next video. I'm actually going to show you how to do it, but you can go to Boatworks today. There's other videos out there that'll show you, other techniques and everything. So if you don't want to watch all of that, you know what, guys? Have a great Memorial Day, and thanks for watching.